Hello YouTube, we are replacing the bearing assembly for Honda Civic 2009 Cube, and all other models is same except drum or rotors are different. The things that I noticed that the drum Honda Civic has a drum or rotors that are different. I just want to show you the difference is this is the bearing that's I got it wrong, that's for rotors, and this is the bearing that's for drum, which is should be okay. So tools you need: socket number 19 for your tire. I'm not a mechanic, I'm not responsible for any damage your car. Safety is always first. Secure your jack number 19, socket number 14. You will see 4 bullets behind here. It goes just like this. It comes out from here. 1 2 3 4 14. Number 10 for your ABS, number 12 for the brake line. Pretty much your drum should come out easy, and you just follow step by step. I want to make the video short. Let's just 1 second. Hello, my nephew is helping me. This is my first videos after I did so many car. I decided, make some videos, not for money or subscribe or likes. It's just for somebody has the tools, can do the job, and the mechanic costs a little bit money. Since you have tools and time, you could do it. Save yourself a little bit money, but safety is always first. So tires out. This is the drum, should be out easy because yesterday I opened it. Shoes, I already took it off. We go next video. As I said, this is the old one. See, it's making a bad sound. It's already broken. I'll make a short video. As you see, I said first you open number 10 ABS, number 12 this brake airline. It should come off easy. There is 4 bullets. Just be easy on brake line, don't damage it. Tools you need: number 10 socket, number 12, number 14, a wrench number 14. This is when you do the shoes, you don't really need much. Just this, a little bit of hammer and tapping. Some of them probably they are seized. Sorry if I don't make the video long. As I said, let's just try open this 4 bullets to make it short maybe. Okay, number 14, this one here. There is one here. I'll make sure. Give me the phone. Okay. Camera roll. I'm tidying it. My wrench messed up. Now open. And there's number 1. Okay, well, that's okay.